If you're dealing with damaged hair, finding the right shampoo is crucial for restoring its health and vitality. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 shampoos designed to repair and rejuvenate damaged hair. Whether your hair is overprocessed, brittle, or lacking shine, these products offer targeted solutions to help you achieve stronger, healthier hair. Let's dive in and find the perfect match for your hair restoration journey. Kicking off our list at number 1, Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. The Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo is renowned for its ability to repair and strengthen damaged hair. This professional-grade shampoo is formulated to restore internal strength and provide balance to your hair's health. Key features: Olaplex No. 4 contains the patented Olaplex bond-building technology, which works on a molecular level to repair broken disulfide bonds in the hair. The formula is sulfate-free, making it suitable for all hair types, including color-treated and chemically processed hair. Benefits and usage: apply the shampoo to wet hair, massage it into the scalp, and work it through to the ends. Rinse thoroughly and follow with your favorite conditioner. The shampoo helps to reduce breakage, restore moisture, and improve overall hair texture, making it ideal for hair that has been compromised by chemical treatments or heat styling. Usability: the shampoo has a creamy texture that lathers well, providing a gentle cleanse without stripping natural oils. It has a neutral scent that is not overpowering. The product is easy to distribute through the hair and rinses out cleanly. Durability: the 250 ml bottle typically lasts about 1 to 2 months with regular use. While the Olaplex line can be on the pricier side, its effective bond-repairing technology justifies the cost for those serious about repairing damaged hair. In the second spot, we have Kérastase Resistance Bain Force Architecte. Kérastase Resistance Bain Force Architecte is designed to repair and strengthen damaged hair, particularly for those experiencing severe damage or breakage. This shampoo is known for its powerful rebuilding and fortifying properties. Key features: the formula includes the Vitaciment complex, which reinforces the hair's internal structure, and the Sève de Resurrection, known for its restorative properties. It also contains proceratin and ceramides to help rebuild and strengthen the hair fiber. Benefits and usage: apply the shampoo to wet hair, lather, and rinse thoroughly. It is designed to rebuild and fortify hair from the inside out, improving elasticity and reducing breakage. Use it regularly to see a noticeable improvement in hair strength and texture. Usability: the shampoo has a rich, creamy texture that provides a luxurious lather. It leaves hair feeling clean and refreshed without being overly drying. The scent is subtle and pleasant, enhancing the overall experience. Durability: the 250 ml bottle usually lasts 1 to 2 months with frequent use. Though it is on the higher end of the price range, the high-quality ingredients and effective repair benefits make it a worthwhile investment for damaged hair. Coming in at number 3 is the Pureology Hydrate Shampoo. Pureology Hydrate Shampoo is designed to nourish and repair dry, damaged hair while providing hydration and protection. It's ideal for color-treated hair, as it helps to lock in moisture and maintain color vibrancy. Key features: this shampoo features a blend of essential oils and natural extracts, including jojoba, green tea, and sage. It is sulfate-free and formulated with Pureology's anti-fade complex to protect hair color and add moisture. Benefits and usage: apply the shampoo to wet hair, massage into the scalp, and rinse thoroughly. It helps to hydrate and soften hair while maintaining color integrity. Regular use promotes a healthy, moisturized scalp and reduces the appearance of damage. Usability: the shampoo has a rich, creamy consistency that lathers well and cleanses effectively. It has a fresh, herbal fragrance that provides a relaxing experience. The formula is gentle, making it suitable for daily use. Durability: the 250 ml bottle generally lasts about 1 to 2 months with regular use. The price is moderate, making it a good option for those seeking effective hydration and color protection without breaking the bank. Taking our fourth spot is Redken Extreme Shampoo. Redken Extreme Shampoo is formulated to address and repair severely damaged hair. It's designed to strengthen and fortify hair, providing a comprehensive solution for those struggling with hair damage and breakage. Key features: this shampoo includes Redken Strength Complex, which contains proteins and ceramides to help rebuild and strengthen the hair fiber. It also features a fortifying formula that enhances resilience and prevents further damage. Benefits and usage: apply the shampoo to wet hair, lather, and rinse thoroughly. It is designed to strengthen hair and improve its overall health, reducing breakage and making it more manageable. Regular use helps to restore vitality and improve hair texture. Usability: the shampoo has a thick, rich consistency that provides a deep cleanse. It leaves hair feeling clean and strong without being too harsh. The scent is fresh and pleasant, adding to the overall user experience. Durability: the 300 ml bottle typically lasts about 1 to 2 months with regular use. The price is reasonable, considering the quality and effectiveness of the product in repairing damaged hair. And finally, at number 5, we have L'Oréal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5 Shampoo. L'Oréal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5 Shampoo is designed to tackle multiple signs of damaged hair, including split ends, weakness, and dryness. This affordable option offers comprehensive repair and nourishment for damaged locks. Key features: the shampoo contains a blend of protein and ceramide, which work together to strengthen and repair hair. It is formulated to address the 5 signs of damage, including dryness, brittleness, and lack of shine. Benefits and usage: apply the shampoo to wet hair, massage into the scalp, and rinse thoroughly. It helps to strengthen and repair hair while adding moisture and improving overall texture. Regular use leads to healthier, more resilient hair. Usability: the shampoo has a smooth, creamy texture that lathers well and rinses easily. It has a pleasant, mild fragrance that is not overpowering. The formula is gentle enough for daily use, making it a practical choice for damaged hair. Durability: the 250 ml bottle usually lasts about 1 to 2 months with regular use. Its affordability and effective repair capabilities make it a popular choice for those seeking a budget-friendly solution for damaged hair. Choosing the right shampoo for damaged hair can make a significant difference in restoring its health and vitality. From professional-grade treatments to affordable options, these top 5 shampoos offer targeted solutions to repair and rejuvenate your hair. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on achieving your best hair. Thanks for watching, and here's to healthier, stronger hair with the perfect shampoo.